The metaphysic is sometimes described as gradualism. That is to say, everything in existence is to some degree mind, spirit, consciousness. The old notion of degrees of being all up the hierarchy, you see, is now translated into a developmental process. The process of evolution is the development of greater degrees in the graduated process, greater degrees of mind, spirit. This is part of the evolutionary optimism. And for Hegel, the fullest manifestation of spirit comes out in German culture. Where else would you expect? Yeah, this was the age of nationalism. Why? Because what is nationalism? It's the embodiment, the full self-discovery, self-realization of the identity of the spirit of a people. You see, nationalism is a product of Romanticism, a product of this German idealism.